So what's up my people, it's your boy Weekend Gear once again with another update. So in today's video we are going to talk about this bitforge.finance. It's a very good platform that I found out that I decided to make a video about it. So first thing you have to do is to go over to your account and make sure that you need a decentralized exchange wallet. So it's either you use Trust Wallet or you use MetaMask. So for me, I'm using Trust Wallet. I love using Trust Wallet. So what you have to do is to copy the link in the description of this video, or I might give you a blog post to copy the link. Easily copy the link from the blog post, and okay, from my Telegram channel. Yes, you can also get it from my Telegram channel, the direct link to copy it and come to your browser, to your DAO browser in any of your decentralized exchange, that be it MetaMask or Trust Wallet. So come to the DAO browser and impute the wallet, the link that I will give to you. So the next thing you have to do is to make sure that you change the network from any network that it is to Binance Smart Chain network. So once you are done with it, the next thing you have to do is to wait for it to load a bit. And once it's downloaded, the next thing you have to do is to click on this where it says connect wallet. It's gonna bring you about where to connect the wallets. You can have a separate wallet for this, so make sure you click on connect wallet, and as you can see now, I've successfully connected my wallet. And if we go over to their dApps, you see that they have gotten $278,848 total deposits on their platform. That and total revenue is 46,050 USDT. That is the total revenue in total on their platform. That is how much people have withdrawn and made in their platform within their time of staying. And their total miners that we all are about to join is also 2,159, and total miners of deposit is 624. Total withdrawal from miners is 9,731, and daily revenue range from 1.8 to 2.8%. Now let's go over to deposit start amount. They have two different versions of making money in this particular platform. So like this particular one, this is USDC in Binance Smart Chain, you will need minimum of $50 to start on it. While this second one over here, you can impute from $1 and above. I repeat, this particular one here is you can start off with $50 deposit, and this particular second one over here you can start up with $1 and above. So you wouldn't tell me that you don't have up to $50. That means let's stop it. No, you can start up with $1 and above. So that is just it. And let's go over to the calculator to see how it's gonna work out for us. And you can also scroll down below to check out their white paper. This is their white paper here. Let's go over to their white paper to see what their white paper is all about. So in their white paper, you see that Bitforge is dedicated to making cryptocurrency mining more accessible by lowering the cost barrier. Traditional mining can be expensive and require expertise to operate it, discouraging many people from participating, but Bitcoin came in and tried to help it. That is one of the reasons in cryptocurrency. Every project, every company came out with one or two problem to solve in the crypto space, and that is one of the things Bitforge is trying to do over here. So to address this issue, Bitforge combines cloud computing power with mining machine. That is cloud miner. You don't need any machine on your phone to start mining it. You don't need to drain your battery on every other thing. So this says that it combines the cloud computing power with mining machine computing power to create a new cryptocurrency mining protocol that authorizes both resource. The blockchain technology ensures fairness and transparency while users pledge their cryptocurrency asset to get computing power and returns. You guys know when we says go ahead and download this app and mine this project, the time we mine Core, the time we mine OMG, and all these cloud mining apps that we normally use for airdrops, that is the same thing that Bitforge is doing. it's kind of crown mining for us, just like other airdrops is mining. So it's not a new thing, but this particular one now is you are mining, you are using your USDT to make money on it, and it's so amazing because it will only give you benefit, not loss. You are not investing in crypto trading that might go wrong if you are not an expert. No, even non-experts can also benefit in this. You can also go ahead and on your own to read more about the in their white paper for you to know more about this particular project. So remember to first connect your wallet, then select the investment amount that you want. If you have the money to start the 50 USDC one, you can also go ahead and do it. And also if you don't have it, you can also go ahead and start off with anyone with $1, anything. Bear it in mind, you will be getting 1.8 to 2% of your initial deposit on the platform. And whenever you want to take your mining revenue, all you have to do is to click on this place that says claim, and you will claim your revenue to your wallet direct. So that is how this particular platform works, and I hope you guys got value from this video. My name remains Zubi King, and see you guys in my next video. And remember, invest what you can afford to lose in any platform. Zubi King is not in any way financial advisor. See you guys in my next video.